Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to put a number on voicemail on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your phone pad. So I'm going to click on here. So after you open up your phone pad, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here from the top side. Click on that, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to carrier features. It takes you right here. If you are using dual SIM phone, select the SIM you want to use. So I'm going to select this my first SIM right here. It takes you to voicemail. Simply click on voicemail and it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on setup. And it takes you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on voicemail number. Now, at this point here, you have to type the number right here if you know the number of head. But if you want to select the contact from your phone save, then next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon right here. It opens up your phone contact. Next thing you need to do is to simply select the contact you want to add into a voicemail. Having selected the contact, simply click on OK. And voicemail number change. Simply click on OK. It's as simple as that. You have successfully put this particular phone number on voicemail. Each time this person is calling you, the number will always enter voicemail. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to put a phone number on voicemail on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.